Now that we have covered the basics of Python, we will now look at using selection-based statements to make decisions. Selection is where we run code based on a predetermined condition being met. The first type of selection we'll look at is an if statement. On screen, we have a variable called coins storing the integer 12. In a program, we may want to check whether a value stored in a variable is more than, equal to, or less than another value. I can write an if statement by first writing the word if. Then afterwards, I will write out the condition we are checking for. In this case, I want my program to check whether my coins variable is storing more than the value 10. To do this, I write out my variable name, then I enter the operator. For my condition, I'm using the more than operator. Then, I put the value I'm checking, which as mentioned is the value 10. At the end of the statement, we will put a colon. This is to symbolize we're about to do something with this condition. Python uses indentation to determine different blocks of code. In my example, I want to print out that the user has enough coins if it is over 10. So within the indented block, I'm going to write a print function. Print, you have over 10 coins. When I run this code, you will see that it outputs the text. If I go back to the code and change the value stored in my coins variable to 8, and now run the program again, you will see that nothing is printed out. This is because the condition is false.